In this radio exchange, the St. Louis County Police Department's helicopter, Air 4, communicates with Spirit Tower Air Traffic Controller on September 27, 2023. The pilot initially requests permission for a westbound departure. Later, Air 4 reports a critical incident, a bird strike, and urgently requests to return to the police pad. The pilot mentions a damaged windscreen and reports a personal injury, indicating a nosebleed.
Spirit Tower helicopter Air 4 at the police pad with Oscar. I like a west departure pursuit parallel.
Air 4, Spirit Tower, westbound departure parallel runway is approved.
Westbound between the parallels is approved. Air 4 on the go. Spirit Tower helicopter Air 4.
Air 4, Spirit Tower.
Just curious, how far are you showing that storm out to the west from us?
Air 4, I'm showing it further than 25 miles, that a little cell out there to the west.
Alright, roger that, Air 4. It's Spirit Tower helicopter Air 4. I'd like to make a turn to the southwest towards the Labby stack.
Air 4, on course approved and frequency change approved.
On course approved, frequency change approved. We'll talk to you later, Air 4. Spirit Tower helicopter Air 4.
Air 4, Spirit Tower.
Story about 6.5 to the southwest. I'd like to enter traffic pattern for 26 right.
Air 4, roger, fly northbound, enter right downwind for runway 26 right.
Northbound and then a right downwind for 26 right. Air 4. Spirit Tower helicopter Air 4, we need to start back to the police pad. First strike.
And Air 4, I'm sorry, say again?
Sorry, we need to return to the police pad. We just had a bird strike.
Air 4, you can proceed direct to the police pad.
Direct to the police pad.
And Air 4, no need to respond, wind is showing 0805.
Roger, Air 4. Tower Air 4.
Air 4, go ahead.
Yeah, we clear direct to the pad from the west.
Air 4, affirmative. Whatever you need, you can proceed at your discretion.
Yeah, roger that. Sorry about the wind. We have no more windscreen, thanks.
And Air 4, everything good with the helicopter? Air 4, Spirit Tower, you still up?
Yeah, go ahead for Air 4.
Air 4, what's the damage on the helicopter if you have a quick assessment?
The windshield on the right side is blown out.
Roger, thank you for that. Any other injuries?
Not sure. My nose is bleeding. I got hit in the face. I'm not really sure what it is.
Air 4, roger. And Spirit, please, if you're still on frequency, can you head back to the Signature main ramp?
Roger that.
And Spirit, please just check on the Air 4, the police helicopter over there for me.
Roger.